Understanding, Watch Your Weight, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, watch your weight. This phrase is commonly used in English conversations, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you understand the cultural nuances of health and fitness in English-speaking countries. At first glance, watch your weight might sound like you're being told to literally keep an eye on your weight. However, it's not about watching the scale all the time. This phrase is an idiomatic expression, and in English, idioms often carry meanings that are different from the literal meanings of the words they contain. Watch your weight generally means to be mindful or careful about your eating and exercise habits to maintain a healthy weight. Context matters. Using watch your weight can be sensitive because it's related to someone's physical appearance and health. It's often used in a friendly or concerned manner among close friends or family. However, it can be seen as rude or intrusive if used inappropriately or with someone you're not very close to. Usage in sentences. Friendly advice: you've been eating a lot of fast food lately. Maybe you should start to watch your weight. Self-reminder: I need to watch my weight before the wedding, so I'm cutting down on sweets. Understanding cultural nuances. In many English-speaking cultures, discussing someone's weight can be a delicate matter. The phrase, watch your weight, should be used with care, keeping in mind the feelings and privacy of others. It's a phrase more appropriately used for self-reference or when you have a very close and comfortable relationship with someone. Promoting a positive message. Instead of focusing solely on weight, it's often more encouraging to talk about health and well-being in general. Phrases like, let's eat healthily, or shall we exercise together, carry a more positive tone and are less likely to cause offense. Understanding idiomatic expressions like, watch your weight, is a key part of mastering the English language. It's not just about the words, but also about the cultural and social contexts in which they are used. We hope this video has been informative and has added a valuable phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you learn opens up a new dimension of this beautiful language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.